Hi friends railroaders, my name is Luigi and today I want to talk about Wi-Fi and how to use it to control locomotives and accessories of the layout. The Wi-Fi technology for modern railways is an alternative or alongside to the DCC system, offering several advantages both from point of view of cost and that of practical implementation. In computers and telecommunications, Wi-Fi is the name of a radio wave communication system that allows you to connect computers and peripheral devices in a local network without using wireless. In addition to the locomotives, it is also possible to control accessories such as switches, lights, rail crossings, traffic lights, and so on, with minimal use of wires and high flexibility in the object's positioning. Unlike the DCC system that transmits the commands to the locomotive through the tracks, the Wi-Fi transmits the command to the locomotive through a router, just Wi-Fi, without necessarily being connected to the internet. Today, who owns a computer at home surely also has a Wi-Fi router to connect to the internet, so every type of router, any model, is useful for the purpose, even not necessarily connected to the internet. Just to give you an example, even a mobile router like this is fine. That said, today I present an object specially made to work with this new technology. It is a decoder, new digital decoder for locomotors named LocoFi. Its functionalities are exactly the same as those of the DCC system, with less complexity of programming and customization. This decoder is suitable for installation on any type of locomotive, even of old construction, even if not prepared for digitalization. Those already prepared can be easily converted to Wi-Fi. An audio amplifier has also been set up on the decoder. Here is a small speaker, and on this micro SD card the audio effects are stored. So, to recap, on the tracks we will find only the supply current that goes from 9 to 24 volts. So you do not need other tools such as boosters and controllers, only a smartphone on which the application will be downloaded to control the locomotive. In the simple configuration, it is only required a smartphone connected to the same network to which the decoder is connected. The LocoFi application is available on Android and iOS and is therefore downloadable on smartphones. You can manage an unlimited number of locomotives by separately controlling speed, direction, lights and sound effects. More smartphones can control different locomotives, obviously not the same. The Wi-Fi locomotives are totally compatible with existing DCC systems and can therefore coexist locomotors with the DCC system and locomotor with the Wi-Fi system on the same layout and the same tracks. Below I will show you briefly how to install the LocoFi, which is very simple as it is supplied with only 7 wires, 2 for the supply from the right and the left tracks, 2 for the engine and 3 for the lights, 1 for the front lights, 1 for the rear lights, and the third one is common to the two. This presentation ends here. I hope you enjoyed it. Soon I am going to present also the use of Wi-Fi on turnouts and then other accessories. Thanks. Goodbye.